Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to PMDC online lecture room. My name is Sana Zeb, lecturer chemistry. Today we are going to discuss balancing redox equations by half reaction method. This topic has been chosen from first year chemistry chapter number 12 electrochemistry. In today's lecture we are going to discuss rules for balancing in acidic and neutral medium, practice examples, and an assignment. Ion electron method is also called half reaction method. First of all, we are going to discuss rules for acidic medium. The very first rule is split the equation into two half reactions, one for oxidation and another for reduction, showing only oxidizing and reducing agents. As we are going to discuss balancing of equation of redox equation, that is why in redox equation reduction and oxidation occurs simultaneously. For atoms other than oxygen, balance the number of atoms on both sides of the two half reactions independently. For oxygen and hydrogen, in acidic medium, H plus ions can be added on that side of equation that have greater number of oxygen atoms, and water can be added to another side. Balance the charge by adding electrons to the side deficient in negative charge, that is the side that have more positive charge. Multiply each reaction by a number chosen so that the total number of electrons lost by a reducing agent equals the number of electrons gained by an oxidizing agent. Rule number 4 is add the two half reactions resulting from multiplications. Rule number 5, cancel anything appearing to both sides in the net equation. Rule number 6, check the final equation by counting the number of atoms and the net charge on either side, if it is equal or not. Let us now apply all these rules to example 12.4. Example is balance the following equation taking place in acidic medium by ion electron method. We can see this equation is not balanced and we will have to balance this equation by applying these rules. Step 1 is split the equation into two half reactions, one for oxidation and another one for reduction. Equation A and B are equations for oxidation and reduction respectively. Step 2, as we already have discussed previously in our rules, that if we have atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen, first of all we will have to balance those atoms. As we have iodide ions that needs to be balanced, so first of all we will have to balance equation A by adding 2. Now we can see it is balanced. On the other side, balance the number of oxygen atoms on each half reaction by adding H plus ions, that is oxygen excess side. If you can notice equation B, we have oxygen atoms less than on the product side than on the reactant side. It means, or we can say that on reactant sides we have one oxygen atom greater than on the product side. Now the rule for balancing such oxygen atom is that first of all we will have to add H plus ions if we are balancing equation in acidic medium on that side of equation that have more oxygen atoms or on oxygen excess side. As we can see that on the reactant side, that is nitrogen dioxide, we have excess oxygen or we have more oxygen atoms than on the product side. So we have added H plus ions on reactant side, and water can be added to opposite side. That is why we have added water to the product side, that is that side that have oxygen deficient side, that is oxygen deficient side. Step 4 is now balance the charge by adding electrons. Now where we have to add electrons, we will have to electrons to that side that is deficient in negative charge, or in other words we can say that have more positive charge. For example, in equation A we can see we have negative charge on reactant side, while on the product side we had no charge previously, so we had added 2 electrons in order to balance the charge. Similarly, in equation B we had more positive charge on the reactant side, so that is why we had added 2 electrons in order to cancel the positive and negative charges, or in order to balance the charges. As we can see in the above two equations A and B, the total number of electrons gained and lost are equal, so there is no need to multiply by any number. We simply have to add these equations and cancel the similar terms. In step 5, we will have to add the two half reaction and cancel anything appearing to both sides in the net equation. We can see we have only electrons, 2 electrons on reactant side and 2 electrons on the product side, that needs to be cancelled. Check the final equation by counting the number of atoms and the net charge on either side. We can see on the reactant side and product side charges are balanced. Similarly, we also can see all the atoms on reactant and product sides are balanced. Hence the equation is balanced. Previously we were discussing balancing of equation in acidic medium. Now there are some equations that needs to be balanced in neutral medium. There is a rule for it for oxygen and hydrogen. In neutral medium, H plus ions and water can be added on either side of equation. Coming towards your assignment, balance the following equation by half reaction method. There are two equations that needs to be balanced by half reaction method. You will have to balance the first equation in acidic medium by applying all the rules, and second equation needs to be balanced in neutral medium. That was all about balancing of equation in by ion electron method. Thank you.